Okay guys, this is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you what size of valve stem you're going to need for these Weld wheels. This is the RF Performance series. These are the Ventura wheels. We have the bead lock with the normal wheel here. I've got one installed already. This is the pull through rubber style. This one just comes with the sleeve to go over it to make it look a little nicer. The size you're going to want is 0.453. I went ahead and measured it, and I've got 0.4445. So that means that the hole is a little bit smaller than the valve stem, which is good, so we'll get a good seal, and that's the size you want. Make sure you don't forget your installation tool when you go there. It's made by the same company, Slime. They make this one, or they make one with a cord on it to pull, and that's about it. So that's the information you will need for valve stems. And thanks for watching, and we will see you guys later.